Okay, so there's one thing keeping me from putting this car on the road again. The fact that my radiator is just that bit too tall. So it sits in, the width is like perfect. It sticks up just that little bit too much. Because when I measured it, I didn't have my rails in there. Hold up, I gotta like... So width-wise, on these little brackets here, those are perfect. They line up pretty much with the rails where the old radiator sit. The reason why we can't go any lower is it hits just here on the rail. So we're gonna try and cut off a little bit on there. And then I've got a radiator shop that said they can weld in your little plate in there. But they told me it's best for me to come at, like, to bring the radiator home, cut out the notch that I need done, and then they will weld it up for me. I mean, it's more money being spent, but I can't find anything anywhere, so this is the next best option. There's a thing, another one. This should look pretty good. I did try and find one in black because I feel like black would have really complemented it well, but unfortunately there was nothing. But this will do. This will be pretty good. Alrighty. It's a bit easier if I had a round file. Down the bottom there could get pretty interesting, but down the bottom there I don't think I got enough lip to use the clamp. Interesting. Okay, so that bottom one, we're gonna have to run just the hose because I won't be able to get it with the clamp on there. Hello there. Oh, not bad. Yeah, all good to come over. I'm just filling up the radiator in the Lancer because it's almost done. Yeah, it came back. It all fits in a lot better now, and it's mounted up. Fill it up with coolant and give it a little flush. Cool. That was me mate Tyson. He's got a sick RX-7. He's coming over with his Forester today, and we're gonna do get a little bit of work done on it. It's always a good day when you get some fan mail. I'm very proud of that joke. This here should fit in between the radiator and my water pump. Down in between. Oh, it is a tight fit, but a fit nonetheless. Okay, before we put the fan on, I got to get a bracket kind of made up for this thing, because this is going to be our overflow can. This is courtesy of Tyson, the guy who owns the RX-7, and we got like a little, well, there's a little bracket here that I could kind of make something up for, I think. Just get a flat piece of metal, kind of maybe JB Weld or something on the back here, and then it can bolt onto there. Honestly, I kind of completely forgot to finish this video off, but we do need to take that little rubber bit out, stab a hole through here, and then that's radiator done. Yeah, I'm like in the middle of doing door cards for the Lancer, so little spoiler alert for one of the videos coming out soon. Okay, there we go. That is our Rockstar overflow can. We're getting there. But yeah, pretty much I'm finishing off the door cards. I gotta do, well actually once the door cards are done, it can go for rego. And then everything else, it can kind of get sorted out after it's registered. I just want to drive the damn thing. Making a whole bunch of noise up there. Yeah, I'm going to continue on with the current project.